Use the specific tooling to mount a new ball bearing on the fixed driven half pulley. Insert the ball bearing snap rings. Mount the roller bearing with its outside writing visible. Support the half pulley suitably to prevent damage to its threaded end when mounting the bearings. Change and insert the 2 outer O-rings and the 2 inner sealing rings of the moving half pulley. Carefully lubricate the moving driven half pulley. Fit the half pulley on the bush. Make sure no damage is done to the oil shields. Remount the 3 retaining pins. Reinsert the collar.